That first message your customer sees when they open a chat is already costing you. A generic greeting sets the wrong expectation, erodes trust before support even begins, and makes customers wonder if anyone actually cares. Let me show you how to fix it in under 15 minutes. Most teams ship the generic default and wonder why trust takes longer to build. A greeting that doesn't tell customers whether they're talking to AI or a person, provides no context, and gives no reason to stay, is losing you customers before anyone types a word. Customers decide whether to keep chatting within the first message. Zendesk. Messaging gives you 3 ways to greet customers. The AI agent. Welcome fires automatically when a conversation opens and introduces the AI. The proactive greeting triggers based on page behavior before the customer asks anything. The agent assignment greeting introduces the human agent when they take over, but this one requires a workaround in standard Zendesk. Before configuring greetings, make sure you have Zendesk support with messaging enabled, admin access to Admin Center, and a plan that includes AI agents. You'll also need to know which AI agent version you have. Check if your account was created before February 2025. If you need the agent assignment greeting, you'll need the Delayer app from the Zendesk marketplace. Step 1. In Admin Center, click the AI icon, then AI agents again, and select your agent. The path is Admin Center, then AI icon, then AI agents, then select your agent by name. Click the agent name to open its settings panel. Step 2 for legacy agents. In the Messaging Behavior tab, find the Start of Conversation field, write your greeting text, and click Publish. Legacy agents have a simpler single field editor. If you see use cases and dialogue builders instead, you're on the advanced version and should follow Step 3. Step 3 for advanced agents, go to AI agents. Advanced, select your agent, then content, then use cases. Filter by system replies, select welcome reply, go to the replies tab, and edit the dialogue. The dialogue builder gives you full control, multiple message blocks, conditions, and branching for multi-language or time-based greetings. Step 4, to set up proactive greetings, go to Admin Center, then Channels, then Proactive Messaging. Create a campaign with a descriptive name, set your trigger based on page URL, time on page, or scroll depth. Write a message that matches the page context and activate the campaign. Keep every proactive message relevant to where the customer actually is. Step 5 is the agent assignment greeting, and there's no built-in Zendesk feature for this. Install the Delayer app from the marketplace, create a trigger in Admin Center with the conditions ticket channel is messaging and assignee changed, set the action to notify via the Delayer webhook, paste in your JSON payload with the agent's name and a personal message, save, and test. Here are 4 proven greeting templates. For a professional AI agent, introduce the AI by name and offer specific help options. For a casual tone, keep it short and ask what brings the customer in. For proactive greetings, be specific about what you can answer. For after hours, set the right expectation and point to self-serve resources. Keep every greeting under 150 characters for mobile readability. 5 rules that separate good greetings from bad ones. Always tell customers if they're talking to AI. Keep it under 150 characters for mobile. Match your brand voice. Use suggested answer buttons for your most common issues. And test on a phone, not just your desktop admin panel. Suggested answer buttons aren't just navigation. Choose options that cover your most solvable customer needs. Eesel AI connects to your Zendesk workspace and handles all 3 greeting types: AI welcome, proactive, and agent assignment in one place. No Delayer app, no separate legacy versus advanced workflows, no configuration juggling. It learns your team's tone from past tickets, and agent handoffs automatically include full ticket context. You now know how to configure every greeting type in Zendesk messaging. If you want unified greeting management without the workarounds, try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required.